Welcome to Tech, your trusted partner in cutting-edge smart refrigeration solutions. Refrigeration is critical to preserving perishable goods, maintaining product quality, and ensuring safety. At Tech, we understand these needs and offer advanced smart refrigeration systems. We offer IoT products, innovation, energy efficiency, reliability, compliance. Our smart refrigeration solutions feature state-of-the-art technologies, enabling precise temperature control and monitoring. Whether you're looking for cold storage facilities, blast freezers, ripening chamber, path to optimal refrigeration, IoT-enabled systems. Our IoT products include Hawkeye, iSense, iCPU, real-time data monitored by our Tech data flow dashboard, performance optimization, cost reduction. Tech offers comprehensive refrigeration solutions including reliability, innovation, sustainability, IoT technologies, customizable system, energy efficiency. Our relationship with clients doesn't end with installation. Tech provides 24/7 support, ensuring that your refrigeration systems continue to run smoothly. We offer remote diagnostics, maintenance, and prompt service to minimize downtime. Choose Tech for reliable, innovative and sustainable refrigeration solutions. Contact us today.